It's been over 24 hours since the lockdown has been lifted in St. Catherine, and we've heard how difficult it's been for residents to get basic amenities due to overcrowding. This evening, we hear the chilling stories of how residents in Helsha survived the 15-day, 24-hour curfew. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
This man in the yellow outfit is Blacker. He owns and operates a restaurant and bar on the Helsha beach in Portmore, St. Catherine. He says he's dressed for a war against an enemy he can't see with the naked eye, the coronavirus.
It's the biggest war this. As you see a man, if you cough, you're in problem. If you sneeze, you're in problem.
A battle he says he has been losing.
From me born, we went through all storm over here, everything. But I this place of 38 years. And I never seen nothing like this here from me born. And I go through more than 2 storm, more than 3 storm over here. And this lockdown, you know, see nobody on the beach to talk to. It's like a ghost town. There's a beach town.
Then I feel depressed or stressed. Nobody to talk to sometimes.
That give me a headache. And the worst thing that's ever happened, if you don't say, you know somebody to talk to.
Like many other business operators on the Helsha beach, Blacker has been hit hard by COVID-19. Although there are no cases in Helsha, COVID-19 has been on the rise over the past weeks in St. Catherine, which ultimately led to the lockdown.
When me lockdown, with I have 150,000 in my kitchen, live cash. And from them lock me down and want to mash up. Boy, I different one that mash up still here.
So with the lockdown lifted and the weather looking up, this boat was able to go to sea after 2 weeks. But as the fishermen told me, it's not the end of their problems.
Well, from what when I get to the Coast Guard and kind of have a restriction for it, you know. So some of the part them get the bus upon and kind of thing. So look, I feel it's a sketch right now. Yeah, man, believe you me.
This is all the fish they caught on Friday. Even more intriguing, for persons who live this close to the sea, for the past 2 weeks, fish has been a scarcity.
The beach was closed, no customers coming in. It's just the fisherman community, you know, and within the fisherman community, it gets so stranded that people start getting hungry and, you know, the food, no food, and then the fishing industry was all locked down.
Parchi Wright is a fish vendor.
It's rough, because I'm going to go to see and them thing there. Yeah, I'm going to go see. So true that none of hustling can't go on. Yeah.
And how it affects you, your business?
Affect me, I just stay home and just sleep. Can't even pay the bills, but you don't know, you have to just go and live and we have life.
COVID-19 has led to a global surge in online interaction, causing some experts to declare that the virus could permanently change how businesses operate. But the small traders see no alternative. As for now, they're just hoping that normality will be restored soon. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.